In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog meta description in Wix. Starting us off, the first step in this journey is to navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to want to find your way to the site's dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your website, including the blog section we will be concentrating on today. Interestingly, there are several features and settings you can manipulate from your site's dashboard. But for our purposes today, we want to focus on one specific area. Towards the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation menu. In this menu, there's an option labeled Blog. Please go ahead and select this option, which will display a drop-down menu. In the new menu that has just appeared, select the Posts option. Having chosen the Posts option, the next screen will display a list of all your blog posts. Now, here's where things get a little more detailed. Among your list of blog posts, identify the post that you want to add the meta description to. When you have it in sight, hover your cursor over it, and as you do, you'll see an Edit button appear on the right side of the post. Once this button materializes, click on it, which in turn opens up the post editor. Now within the post editor, you will find a myriad of tabs lined up on the left sidebar, each promising different customization options. Our focus, however, is the tab labeled SEO, short for Search Engine Optimization. Please select this tab to display the SEO settings. Here, you will find yet another range of tools. But for us, right now, the Basics tab is where all the magic happens. Go ahead, don't be shy, select this tab. On to what feels like the grand finale now. Having selected the Basics tab, your next important task is to locate the meta description field. Don't worry. All you have to do is scroll down a bit. Now within this meta description field, you have an opportunity to craft a concise yet compelling description of your blog post. The goal here is to make this short description so appealing that anyone who reads it in search engine results feels compelled to click and read further. A good length for a meta description is between 50 and 160 characters. The final action, once you've entered your carefully chosen words, is to save your work. To do this, click on the Publish button, and voila, you've successfully added a meta description to your blog post in Wix. Remember, your meta description can make the difference between a potential reader scrolling past your blog post or clicking through to learn more.